Hi guys, welcome to our channel iCodeXP Development. Today I'm going to tell you something very important in this video, that is about Python assignment help. This service basically comes under programming assignment help services. So if you guys are looking for the Python assignment help, Python project help, Python homework help, any kind of a service related to the Python, any kind of a development related to the Python, you should hire us because we are providing a very great feature for your project, for your homework, for your assignment that other websites are not providing. We are one of the most demanded service provider on the Google, on the search engine, who are completing your demands on time on a very genuine budget. Services are in the different streams. First of all, we provide you the Python assignment help, then Java, Android, and there is one MySQL database, web development services, and digital marketing services. You are getting all these services at one place, so you can hire us for any of the listed services, and you are just getting all these services at one place. You don't have to worry about the work. We are going to provide you each and every detail, a track detail, each and every update with a full description, and we are going to tell you all the details what we code for you in the written so that you can get them easily. Under Python, we provide a different kind of services. First of all is Python assignment help. This is the service that we provide to the college going or university going student to complete their project on time so that they can get a top-notch grade in that to secure their beautiful job in future. And the second one is Python homework help. This is the very smallest service that we provide to the school going student to complete their homework on time. Third is the Python project development help. This is some kind of a very big, you can say, it's a kind of corporate service that we give to the corporate clients. Like if you're working in a company, and you're holding a position like you are a project manager there and you have to manage all the project, but sometimes what happens, we don't have such kind of a staffing to complete project on time because we are getting too busy. So you can outsource those projects to us and we are giving you code quotation with a very genuine price, so you can just outsource those projects to us in a bulk manner. And the fourth one is Python consultation services. So sometimes what happens, client get confused that how they're gonna complete their project on time, what kind of features they should include, and what kind of stuff they should exclude from their project. So these kind of a consultation services we provide you. We will just guide you what you have to do, and further you can do yourself. We are just giving you the guidance, we're just giving you the consultation, so you can hire us for that service also. If you guys want to hire us, you can hire us from worldwide. There is no restriction that you can hire only from the particular country, but you can hire us from anywhere in the world. If you are in USA, you can hire from there. If you are in Australia, India, China, Russia, wherever you are, you can hire a company from anywhere in the world. And we are going to provide a different kind of a solution at your email ID or WhatsApp number or anywhere you want to communicate with. We have divided our service into two categories. One is for students, one is for business. Our services are divided into two categories majorly because one is for student and one is for the business corporate sector. If you are a student, you can go for the student service, and we are gonna deliver assignment, homework, and project work to you to secure a good grade in your subject. If you are a business or a corporate client, so you have to hire the corporate service, and we will be doing your work accordingly. But for the students, it's a kind of a different work because we don't have to show that kind of a professionalism in that. But if you're a corporate client, you have to show that professionalism, so we have some dedicated team for that also. Might be you're getting question like that, why should you hire us only iCodeXP? So it's a very simple. I'm gonna tell you, just wait, I'm gonna tell you each and everything in this video. You should hire us because we are gonna provide you 24/7 support, a dedicated programmer, a calling facility, hazard-free service, and there is an instant reply whenever you will revert to our email, WhatsApp, Viber, or any type of Facebook contact. etc. We are giving you an instant reply, and we also provide high discount for the students for the corporate sector, and we have also some kind of a documentation facility, and we provide plagiarism free code to our clients. In the documentation service, we provide the basic documentation that other do not provide, because that is also considered as a cost for the company. But we provide you the documentation for free, a basic documentation, so that you can get information about the project, what is inside that particular project. You can visit our testimonial section also, because that really mean a lot. When we provide a delivery to a customer, he reviews us, and in front of you there is a one review. You can just check it out, and what he says about us is the recent client that I'm James. We have just recently worked with him. So if you guys want to hire us, you can just visit our website www.icodexp.com. You can just visit the contact us page, and you can just hire us by just filling that particular form, and we will be getting back to you within 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe for the latest updates.